Your skeleton isn't just a static framework. It's a living, dynamic organ within you. Incredibly, every 7 to 10 years, almost every single bone cell in your body is completely replaced. This continuous process, known as bone remodeling, ensures your bones remain strong, dense, and healthy. Specialized cells, called osteoclasts, constantly break down old microscopic bits of bone tissue. Following them, osteoblasts arrive to build brand new bone where the old was removed, creating fresh material. This constant renewal allows your bones to repair tiny microfractures that occur from everyday stresses. It also adapts your bone density, making bones thicker and stronger in areas where they face more physical demands. For instance, astronauts in microgravity experience significant bone loss because this remodeling process slows down without gravity's stress. Conversely, athletes often develop denser bones in areas of high impact, like their legs and spine. So, next time you feel strong, remember your bones are silently, tirelessly rebuilding themselves from within.